start off, search for the warp effect in the Effects and Presets panel under the Distort section and drag it onto your first clip. In the effect controls, change the warp style to fisheye, and right at the end of your clip, change the bend to -100, and then hit the stopwatch to make a keyframe. Now, while holding Control and the left arrow, or Command and the left arrow if you're using Mac, go back 20 frames and reset the bend to 0. Now hit U to bring up the keyframes you just made, select them and right-click them. Choose Keyframe Assistant and then click on Easy Ease. Go to the graph editor and basically make sure you copy my exact graph. It should look something like this. So for the second clip, add the optics compensation effect. Place your time indicator at the start of your clip, and in the effect controls, change the FOV value to 150 and hit the stopwatch of that setting. Go 20 frames forward using Control and the right arrow on your keyboard, and now change the value of the FOV to 0. Also check reverse lens distortion. You can select these keyframes and hit F9 to ease them up quickly. Finally, go to the graph editor again while selecting your second layer and copy this graph. That's about it. This is how the final product should look like. This is all done without paying for any plugins. So if you can get some likes on this video, that would be much appreciated. Now feel free to watch this next tutorial.